A major fire broke out in Diburugarh city last night. Now, the fire broke in the city's commercial hub, Natun Bazar, gutting down more than 50 shops. Now, most of the shops which fell prey to the blazing inferno were cloth stores rather. It is being estimated that property worth rupees 20 crore has been lost in the fire. The fire reportedly broke out at around 3 in the morning and kept blazing for almost 4 hours. About 15 fire tenders reached the spot and battled the flame for hours before finally dousing it down. Now, Diburugarh DC Biswajit Pegu and SP Shwetank Mishra reached the spot and took stock of the situation. All right, now this is a big story we're tracking this Wednesday morning. A major fire broke out in Diburugarh city late last night. The fire broke in the city's commercial hub, Natun Bazar, gutting down more than 50 shops. Most of the shops which fell prey to the blazing inferno were cloth stores. It is being estimated that property worth rupees 20 crore has been lost in the fire. Now, the fire reportedly broke out at around 3 in the morning and kept blazing for almost 4 hours. Now, about 15 fire tenders reached the spot and battled the flame for hours before finally dousing it down. Diburugarh DC Biswajit Pegu and SP Shwetank Mishra reached the spot and took stock of the situation.
মানে এক বালটি পানী মাৰিলে মানে একো নাছিলে লেকিন একো কৰা নাই দমকল অহা নাই বহুত দেৰলৈকে আৰু ইমান ডাঙৰ ডাঙৰ আমাৰ বিচিপিএল টিচিপিএল আছে আজিলৈকে কোনো কাম আছে 3 ঘণ্টা এতিয়া বিচিপিএল অহা নাই ৰেলৱেৰ অহা নাই কি কৰিব
ৰেলৱে পৰা পানী নিদিয়ে ৰেলৱে পৰা কেলে পানী নিদিয়ে ইমান জুই লাগি গ'ল কিন্তু মতলব নাই সব নিয়ম
আগ কিমান লাগি আছে পানী নাই ইয়াত
যেতিয়া আহে কয় আহিব হ'ব কৰিব কিন্তু আগুন যেনেকৈ ঠাণ্ডা হৈ যায় যেনেকৈ আগুন ঠাণ্ডা হৈ যায় আগ লগাৰ পিছত মানুহ তেনেকুৱা ঠাণ্ডা হৈ যায় যেতিয়া 1 ঘণ্টালৈ একো নাছিলে আমি যেতিয়া ষ্টাৰ্টিঙৰ পৰা আছো 1 ঘণ্টামান অকল এটা দমকল আহিছিলে অকল চাই আছে অলপ অলপকৈ পানী এই টাইমত 4খন দমকল ইমিডিয়েট আহিলেহেঁতেন ইমান ডাঙৰ অগ্নিকাণ্ড নহ'লেহেঁতেন
ইয়াৰ মানে 500 বা বহুত বাৰ লাগি যায়
আজি হৰু আমি চাওঁ প্ৰত্যেক বছৰ 4 বাৰ 5 বাৰ আগি লাগে লেকিন কোনো মানে বোৰিং হোৱা নাই আজিলৈকে সদায় যেতিয়া মিউনিচিপালিটি ইলেকশ্যন হয় বোৰিং কৰিম লেকিন আজিলৈকে বোৰিঙে হোৱা নাই
Well, joining me over the phone is my colleague Ripunjoy Das, who brought us this story. Well, Ripunjoy, of course, it happened in the morning at 2:30 and it is a commercial hub. So I would imagine there was no casualty as of yet. But tell us what actually happened.
Adam said this fire broke out at around 2:30 in the morning hours today, during which there was this totally a commercial area, commercial hub you can say, right in the heart of Diburugarh town, New Market area. And due to the investigators are still on their job, right now they are focusing upon the damage estimation and all the after successfully dousing the fire at around 6 in the morning. After that, now they are on top to find out what has ignited this fire, how this fire broke out. But some sources are putting up that there might be some kind of an electrical short circuit due to which this fire took place and causing immense damage to the properties of the people. Luckily, there was no human casualty in this regard.